To install a memory card and transfer data between your phone, first of all, you will need to prepare that adapter because, as you know, on this smartphone, on the Samsung A57, there's no memory card slot. So this is the only way to actually do that. So apply your card into this adapter. Now, when the card is inside, you will have to plug it in into the USB-C port. The smartphone supports OTG connection, so we don't have to enable any options. When you take a look here, the USB storage was added. So now we have to go into Files. As you can see here, we can find USB storage. So open it, and now select everything that you want to move into your phone storage. Click Move or Copy. Now select internal storage because this is the storage of your A57. And I'm gonna place this, for example, in the pictures. So I'm gonna click Copy here, and now as you can see, the transfer was finished. And now if I'm gonna open it, not in the USB storage bar, internal storage, as you can see, the transfer is successful. There we go, just like that.